In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get badges on Behance, which showcases your professional status and helps you gain more visibility in the creative community. Badges are a great way to stand out, whether you want to demonstrate your commitment to premium services with a pro badge or have your work acknowledged through a featured or curated badge. I'll guide you through the steps to achieve each of these valuable badges. First, let's delve into the pro badge, which is a paid feature. Start by signing in to your Behance account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it. Make sure to complete your profile by adding a profile picture, a concise yet engaging bio, and a list of your skills. This gives visitors, potential clients, or collaborators a comprehensive view of who you are and what you offer. With your account set up, head over to Behance.net Pro. There, you will find different subscription plans available to fit various needs and budgets. Choose the plan that suits you best and proceed with the payment process. Once your purchase is confirmed and your plan is activated, the Pro Badge should appear on your profile, signaling to others that you are dedicated to leveraging the full spectrum of Behance's networking and showcase features. Now, let's move on to obtaining a featured or curated badge, which serves as an acknowledgement of your exceptional work by the Behance curatorial team. Begin by publishing a project that is not only complete, but also polished. This means including high-resolution images and a well-written case study that offers insights into your creative process and the story behind your work. This level of detail helps your project resonate more with viewers. After you've crafted your project, focus on setting the correct fields, tools, and tags. These elements are crucial as they improve discoverability and ensure your work reaches the appropriate audience. Once your project is live, share it with your network and broader audiences to increase engagement. While posting quality work is vital, engaging with the community is equally crucial. Take the time to appreciate other people's projects and leave thoughtful comments. This not only helps you gain exposure, but also builds relationships within the creative community. Consistent interaction and contribution of quality work increase your chances of being noticed by the curatorial team, thus enhancing your opportunity to earn a featured or curated badge. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively elevate your profile on Behance through both the pro and featured or curated badges. These badges are powerful tools in building your brand identity and enhancing your visibility in the creative world. Remember, the key is consistency and engagement, coupled with high-quality output. Happy creating!